Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So just wanted to go through a few pickups today, a few sales, nothing major. Yeah, I had a few pickups at the boot sale at the weekend, so just like to go through them with you guys. I have actually set up an Instagram page, gathering quite a few followers on there, doing a bit better on there than on YouTube, but you know, I'm still keep going. I'm not doing this for followers or subscribers. All I want to do is just document everything. You know, if I can help you guys to learn something and to make money for yourself, then that's my goal. So anyway, I'll go through a few sales. So guys, the guitar has sold. So I did a video last week with this. This was a Westwood semi-acoustic guitar. I paid a tenner for it, and yeah, it sold. The people have spoken. An auction. It went for £50. So I was pretty happy with that, to be honest. Charged £5 for postage, so that's all good. So I'm trying to put it away. I can't seem to put it anywhere without it falling over. Right, back with you. Okay, so yeah, so I got £50 for it. So I was happy with that. At the end of the day, it's good profit. A few eBay fees and that. So, but I'll take some money out of that. Just glad to get it gone. Really, it's quite big and bulky, and it's been taking up a lot of space. So yeah, glad to get that gone. Next thing I sold was this Harry Potter, like a backpack of the owl. So I think I paid £2 at boot sale a few weeks ago for this. This just sold for £13.99. So yeah, nice bit of profit in that. I'm sure someone's going to love that for the new school year. So yeah, guys, anything Harry Potter tends to sell quite well. Not everything, but if you can get some good Harry Potter things, especially from the studio. I mean, you know the price of the things in the studio, it's unbelievable. You can pay £30, £40 for a wand there. So if you can, you know, pick one up for £1, you're probably going to get 15 quid for it, because people just don't want to spend the money at the actual studios, which is fair enough, and they might not live near it as well. I do actually. I live sort of in probably about 5 miles away, so I'm pretty lucky. I've been there a few times, so it's good. But yeah, like I say, anything Harry Potter, guys, always pick up, especially if it's for cheap. So there was that. So that was eBay. Vinted sold this pair of Nike running shorts. So these were, what are they? Large. So yeah, they were a large. So what did I get for them? I think I got £10 for them. I think I paid a couple of quid boot sale. So obviously a Vinted, that's a straight £8 profit. You know, obviously don't pay fees and things. So I was really happy with that. Nice little sale on Vinted. Another one on Vinted. These Converse. These are white leathers, size 7. So yeah, they're in good nick. Like I say, I might give them a little wipe before I send them off, and then all the pairs of trainers I have, I treat to a little bit of you know, nice shoe spray, make them smell nice. So yeah, I think I paid £2 for the pair of these, and I got 12 back. So yeah, it's another good sale. I did have some other sales, guys, but I've already packaged them. It was just a Monsters Inc. I've forgotten the name of the I can't remember his name, Kozowski, whatever his name is, Mike Kozowski. That's it. Yeah, a plush of his that sold for £12. I think I paid £1 for that. But it's part of a set that I paid on average about £1. I think about 25 teddies, paid 20 odd quid. So yeah, about £1. Worked out quite well. So a few pickups, guys. I've got a very strange pickup here, and it was this. So this is a 1981 Pink Panther collection, Royal Orleans, United States, ceramic Pink Panther mask. Now I couldn't resist this. It's got a few, you can see there, a little bit of paint missing, stuff like that. A few on his nose there. But honestly, I think some of these go for about £50. They're very rare. I was pretty happy with it. It was £2. I thought I've got to pick it up for 2 quid. You know, why wouldn't I? So yeah, I was happy with that. So I haven't listed it yet, but I'm going to stick it on for about 40, 45, see how I get on, because there's not many of them for sale, you see. But anything unusual like that, guys, it's always going to sell. I mean, it's not going to sell quickly, not millions of people out there looking for a Pink Panther mask. But yeah, that was good. But yeah, so that was a good pickup. A little pickup today was this Tetris plush. Quite happy with that. It's brand new with tags. So I mean, it's only I've forgot the price on it, £2 in the car boot sale. I was happy with that, to be honest. I'm hoping to get back about 10, 12 on it. Make a nice present for someone, especially being brand new with tags. These actually come as a set. I believe there's, you see on there, there's about sort of 7 available. I've actually got 2 of them for sale. This is the second one. So people collect them, try and get the collection for maybe the future. Might be worth a bit of money. So that's another good pickup. What else have I got? Now this one, guys, could be a good one. This was a mulberry bag that I actually picked up. Now, it isn't in the greatest of condition. You can see there, it's sort of, I don't know if you can see there, it's a bit faded, a few scuffs and bits and pieces, but I reckon I'll be able to buff a lot of that out and sort that out. And it's like I say, I've had it authenticated, it's real, got all the metal work there, it's really good. You've got a lovely little tag on the inside there. So it's authentic, but I assume £8 I paid for it. I've seen these go up to £140. These were actually £900 brand new. But obviously they're a bit older now than they used to be, these, so they're not going to go for that sort of money anymore. But yeah, I've seen these go for about 150 to 160 quid. Even if I got 80, 70, 80, I'd be happy. So that's going to go up soon. So I just got to give a bit of a leather clean on it, do a bit of TLC on it, and I reckon we'll do well with that. So that was a good pickup. Who remembers these guys? A pair of Adidas bottoms, retro style. Look at them. These are from 2007. So yeah, what can I say about these? They're £1. They are a size large, so they should sell well. People love all the old stuff, you know, nostalgia, and when they used to wear that. But yeah, that was a good back to having a day. These are the ones to have. So yeah, that was a good pickup for £1. 10, 12, 15 if I'm lucky back on them. Next one was a pair of women's Adidas gym leggings, brand new with tags. These were at a boot sale a few weeks ago. They are a size 14. You can see there, obviously the tags, brand new. I reckon these are going to fetch about 15, I reckon. So can't go wrong with that. Any gym gear, guys, seems to go well. People, you know, the prices they charge now in the shops and online is just unbelievable for new stuff. So yeah, so that was a great pickup. I was really happy with that. So remember, guys, gym stuff, pick it up. You know, especially sort of Adidas, Nike, stuff like that. A lot of the Nike Pro stuff goes really well. Next pickup was this Hawkins Tiger. So obviously from Stranger Things, baseball cap. This was 20p. And my sort of theory behind it is that hopefully soon we got the last season coming out of Stranger Things. Can't wait myself. I do watch it. Should be causing a bit of hype and a bit of excitement. And I think people are going to start buying things. So I thought, you know what, 20p, maybe keep it around until Stranger Things season. And you know, I reckon people are going to start buying bits and pieces. I've actually got on my other store, I've got Autumn Glades, Autumn Trading, my other trading platform. I've actually got the key rings for Stranger Things, so I'm hoping that they will sort of sell well as well. So yeah, remember that, guys. When things are, you know, when there's hype of things, you know, like a new film coming out for, I don't know, The Simpsons or something like that, then everyone starts to sort of buy all the merchandise and stuff. So keep that in mind with trends as well. So that's another good one. Right, last pickup was this, not in the greatest condition, but baseball glove. So it's a Louisville Slugger baseball gloves. Baseball gloves go well, guys. I've always done well with them. Like, I mean, this one's got at least, it's black, and when it started, all the black stuff starts coming off it and all that, the leather. But they tend to go well. I mean, especially if you can pay low money for them. I think I paid £2 for that. I'm going to go wrong, you know, like even if I got 10, I'm going to get it out for about 15. But, you know, at the end of the day, profit's profit. I actually got 3 of these, £2 each I paid for them. No, 3 for the fiver, 3 for a fiver he gave them to me for. So there should be some good profit in them 3. This is probably the better condition one out of all of them. Still, you know, it's good inside. Look, all that, it's all looking good. So yeah, well, that's it, guys. I just wanted to touch base with you all. If you could like and subscribe, it would help. Even leave a comment. Obviously, I'm struggling a bit on YouTube at the moment. I'm keep going, guys. I don't mind. You know, at the end of the day, not doing this for it, but I'd like to get this content out to more people. So yeah, if you like and subscribe, it'll help out massively. Cheers, guys.